Hello, my name is Mitchell Batten, and today I am going to be showing you some intro and some tips for Trimble Field Link. Today I am going to show you how to download and look at reports with NTFL and show how to find reports once saved inside the File Explorer. These types of reports include daily layout summary reports, field reports, and layout deviation reports. So what these reports are for is there to give to your supervisor, your superintendent, your project manager, whoever wants to look at what you're doing daily or weekly. You can do them bi-weekly, you can do them daily. It's just daily reports pretty much. Okay, here are the goals. Learn how to download and save reports from Trimble Field Link and learn how to locate those reports inside the File Explorer. Alright guys, let's jump on in.
Hey guys, so now when you're inside Trimble Field Link and you want to look at your imports and exports and your deviations and your field reports, so that way you can give to your supervisors, your foreman, or whoever wants to look at these reports, these daily reports. So you go to more, click reports. Okay, so here's what each of your field reports are going to be, okay? So you have your daily layout summary. You just pick your day. Today, I did mine today on Friday the 29th. Click preview. Let's say preview generated. And so this is what a daily layout summary looks like, okay? You'll have the day the report's created, the time, the date of layout, and the job name, okay? So it says layout session 1. It'll say your setup time. It'll say your setup type. It'll be anywhere. It'll give you your instrument location, and it will also tell you your instrument position within. So that'll tell you your setup angle and your stuff like that, okay? It'll say the 2 control points you use, the X, Y, and Z value of those points, the quality of the shot, and also the distance from the instrument, okay? And as we keep going down right here, you're going to see your first laid out point. It tells you R1, which I did this morning. It'll say your last point laid out, which was 200 as well, okay? It'll give you the number of points you laid out in that first session, or however many sessions you do, which is sessions are built up by each time you set up. So if you set up once during before lunch, and then you set up after lunch, you'll have 2 sessions, and then you'll have each layout session have its own setup time and all that stuff, okay? So let's go to layout time. So it took me 4 minutes to lay out those 5 points, and also so I do about 75 points an hour for those people who like to measure how many they're doing an hour for a little friendly competition. And also it has your summary. It gives you the total points. It also has a summary where it says it'll combine the 2 sessions you have, or it'll combine all your sessions. And down there at the bottom, it'll give you the point names, the setup, the description, and your horizontal and vertical difference of what your layout looks like, okay? So first thing first, I'm going to show you what it looks like on the tablet in TFL, and then I'll show you all the locations of all these reports, okay? So you just want to click save after that. Once you save it, it'll move it and put it inside and make it into a PDF, okay? So let's go and look at the other reports, okay? Let's go to layout deviations, okay? So this is pretty much telling you your deviation report. So I have my point name, my description, my layer, my X, Y values, and my Z's, okay? You got your elevation on there. You got your distance between the X, Y, and Z, okay? You also have this right here. You can put it wherever you want it, really. That's the destination of where these reports will end up, okay? So let's go ahead and save that one. Okay, so that makes the CSV of the deviation report. Deviation reports will always be in a CSV format, okay? So let's go to the job reports, and let's go to field report. Asking for your destination, you got it. We'll name it today's date, or we'll just name it daycare. Click preview. So that's just pretty much making your own report, okay guys? So just click save right there. So now I'm going to show you where all these are at inside the My Documents File Explorer area, okay? So let's go ahead and minimize this. Let's click on this folder right here, make it a bigger screen, okay? Let's go to Documents, Trimble Field Link, and Reports. So as you can see, we did a daily layout summary report, a field report, and a layout deviation report, okay? So just follow this link and this URL up here at the top, and see, there you go. It's right there. And it'll take you to a web browser and open it up as a PDF, okay? So there's that one, everything we just looked at. Let's go back and look at the other one. This one will be blank. And this one is in a CSV format, so you can open it however you want to open it, like a notepad. So that just tells me my deviation report and the actual X, Y, and Z values of where I laid them out at. That way, if you want to overlay it on top of the model or top of the point file or on top of the DWG to see what it looks like for data after layout and see if you're hitting with your model and stuff. Alright guys, so there's how you do a field report. So if you have any questions, please contact your local building point rep and we will help you out. Thanks guys.